work for the Workers' and Trade Unions Major Group. We represent 210 million workers worldwide. First of all, the workers' movement would like to express their solidarity with all the people that lost loved ones in the plane crash. Dear delegates, our members are very afraid of the impact of climate change and environmental degradation on their future. We know that there are no jobs on a dead planet, and tomorrow you will see unions walking with the students in many countries everywhere in the world, and they will be asking for ambitious climate measures. However, we do not only take to the streets, we take our responsibility at all levels. From the company floor with active green union reps, in the economic sectors, and in social dialogue processes at national and international level. There is one group of workers I would like to draw your attention to, and that are the men and women working in fisheries and tourism. They see their jobs endangered by massive plastic pollution in our seas and oceans, and they want a binding agreement to stop this pollution. The problem has to be tackled from the oil well to the waste stage. As unions, we ask for decent jobs in this profound transition of all stages of the plastic value chain. Dear delegates, everybody speaks about ambition, action, urgency. But at the same time, we see that emissions and pollution is going up instead of down. One important piece seems to be missing in the negotiations, and that is equity, justice. Taking care in a comprehensive and credible way the negative impact on the most vulnerable in society, on the workers that lose their livelihoods and their jobs, is the only way to unlock truly ambitious and effective measures. The unions call this just transition. We kindly urge you to take this just transition into account when you go back to your country to implement the measures we all urgently need. Thank you for your attention.
Merci, monsieur, pour votre déclaration.